Shh. We're doing the intro. Shh, we're trying to do the intro. Quiet. Quiet. Chill, would you? Welcome to Homegrown.
So baby, meet me down by the road. No, give away the cool dark water meets the full moonlight.
Come here, let me touch you.
Maybe we could be together. Can't nobody stop love tonight. So baby, meet me down by the road.
I don't like people.
I'm
so tired.
Maybe we could be together. Can't nobody stop love tonight.
Be sure to like and subscribe so you too can be part of the Homegrown family.
Every white girl and their pumpkin spice lattes have been talking about mushrooms, and now I'm seeing them everywhere, all over my property, and I know nothing about mushrooms. I know they're a fungi. I don't like them, but they grow on my property. They're invading, so I figured that I should pick some and try to use them for something. So we're gonna go pick a bunch. Maybe I should wear gloves. I don't know how poisonous they are. How poisonous are mushrooms? Anyway, I'm gonna grab a basket, and we're gonna grab some mushrooms, and then we can talk about them. Maybe I can learn a thing or two. All right, I grabbed my basket, and I got a knife. I don't know, how hard are mushrooms to pick? Are they difficult to pick? I don't know. So we're just gonna go around picking mushrooms. See, look, there's one already. Can I eat this? Is this one safe? What do I need to know about this mushroom? I feel like we should probably categorize these. So this is mushroom number 1. I don't know, looks funky. I'm not gonna eat it, although I'm tempted to. Oh, there's a big patch, look over here. Okay. Are these safe? What do we know about these mushrooms? I don't know. These good ones? A lot of these mushrooms are very delicate. One of the ones, actually the first one I picked, it just fell apart when I set it down. So I'm hoping that I won't destroy and kill all of them. Kill? Is that the right word? Anyway, destroy, tear them apart, all that. I'm hoping to keep some of them so that I can find out if they're good for you or not. Just kind of hunting. Mushroom hunting is fun. I feel like a pig. Do pigs mushroom hunt, right? The truffles? Is that what they hunt? I don't remember. I gotta go find some more. Holy moly, look at this guy. This guy's massive. It looks like a pancake. I found a bunch in this little grove here, a bunch of different kinds. You can see that big one right there. Just gonna pick them, and then hopefully they don't poison me while I pick them up. If they absorb through my skin, I don't know if that's gonna kill me. Oh, look at the size of that. Fancy mushroom. Oh, there's another one over here. Well, I've got them on my hands now, so. What else we got? I guess we continue on our walk and see what else we can find. I guess the reason that I'm doing this is for the last few years I've been curious about having my own food, so growing all of my own food and becoming self-sustainable, at least to the greatest point that I can. I've got some apple trees that are up here and different things that we're trying to plant and grow around the property so that we just don't have to rely on the store, don't have to rely on other things. It's still nice to have a relationship. So I have a lot of relationships with primary producers, so with beef producers, other big farms and stuff that we can still get things from, but there's that sense of pride in being able to like walk up to one of your plants and grab something and then just eat it. Whether it's a carrot out of the ground, an apple out of a tree, there's just something special about being able to do that. Part of what makes this like hunting and foraging stuff difficult is I don't know where to find things. Like where do mushrooms grow? Where do different berries and seeds and nuts and I don't know all these things. I don't know all these plants. I'm trying to learn. I've been asking a lot of questions online, and oh yes, the property is quite flooded right now. But I've been asking a lot of questions online, trying to consult with some people to get some help, because I don't learn all this. It's fascinating to me, but I just don't know where the mushrooms at. Where are they hiding? Apparently not here. Not that I can see anyway. If you're not 100% certain of your mushroom ID, I can't in good conscience recommend that you take the gamble. After a little learning on the internet, I decided to head out again. Ooh, there's one. All right. Grab a knife, pick this guy. All right, we'll see how this goes. You know, in hindsight, it probably would have been wise to figure out whether these are going to kill me before picking them and getting them on my knife, because I could contaminate other. Screw it. We'll just. All right. If you go out in the wind, you're right. You go out in the. I think I found some. Oh, there's a bunch of them. I might need another basket. Hello, my pretty. I hope you won't kill me. Oh, there's more over here. We get this one. And this one. And this one. Oh, another blue one. Look at how pretty. Oh, get this guy. Get this guy. Get this guy. One more. One more. Probably be more careful with what I'm picking up. I might need more safety gear. All right, safety first. I'll see how. I can't breathe in this thing. All right. I'm gonna do without the respirator. Let's go find some mushrooms. We're headed into the woods. Find some mushrooms. This is a lot farther than I expected. We might need to take a rest. Oh, we're just gonna take a nap. Quick! You know what? We're almost there. Let's. All right, here we go into the woods. Look, there's like a bunch there. We'll get those on the way out. There's a white one that might kill me. Oh, look! I'm pretty sure these are chicken of the woods. There's really only one way to check and see if these are chicken of the woods. Is that what it is? Check! Chicken! Chicken! Useless. Alright, what else we got? Some over here. Yeah, let's pick these ones. See what we can get. Let's get one here. Oh, there's some over here. Look at how many there are in my chicken of the woods. We're all tangled. Get back! Get back here, chicken! Get back here, chicken! Oh, jump! No, get back here! Get back here! Oh, those are thorns. That's dangerous. Chicken! Get back here! Oh, that didn't go as planned. Oh.